Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be Who Will You Marry? This was asked by one of the viewer and I'm very sorry that I'm doing this reading little late, but still it is there in back of my mind that I have to do it. So I'm doing today. Okay, so we have the 4 piles here. So as a compensation I'm doing 4 piles today, not 3 piles. Okay, so we have four different color hearts are there: yellow heart, green heart, red heart and white heart. So whichever heart you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile and you can choose accordingly. You can be attracted towards the color or a texture, whatever it is, so you can choose the pile accordingly. Okay, so this will tell you, this reading will tell you about your future spouse, their characteristics, how they will be, and we will see also the approximate timeline when you can get married. Okay, so I will do the detailed reading today. I will pull more and more cards so that we can get the clarity. If we need any more clarifiers, I will pull more cards also for that. Okay, then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, but please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me, helping me to do more and more videos and grow along with you. Okay, then if you want any personal reading, you can write a mail to me and the details are given below. And also if you want any different kind of readings, you can mention in the comment section so that I can take the record ideas and do the recording accordingly. Okay, so that's all. Without wasting much time, we will start the reading. I will show once again the pile. So this is yellow heart, pile number 1, green heart, pile 2, red heart, pile 3, white heart, pile 4. Okay, so please take some time, then you can think and take the pile, choose the pile. Okay, okay, let us start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Let us see. Let us ask angels and spirit guides to give us some clarity and guidance. Who will they marry? Whoever chose this pile number 1, yellow heart, who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who will they marry? One card flew away. Okay. See, bottom of the deck is 4 of Wands. So let me pick up the cards. Some cards flew away. Seven of Swords, 7 of Wands, 9 of Cups, the Moon. We'll pull some more cards. Sorry. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who is your their future spouse? Whoever chose this pile number 1, yellow heart, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I got all the cards. In fact, I got more cards. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck we have Fortune Wheel, then Death, then Fortitude, 7 of Suns, sorry, 8 of Suns, the Sun, very nice, the Star, then 4 of moons. Let me arrange. Then 9 of stars. Hope you can see the cards. Let me arrange a little bit. Okay, so I have arranged the cards. So let me start the reading. Okay, so this whoever is coming into your life, whoever you are going to marry will be your twin flame. Okay, because 1111 card is there, celebration card is there, marriage card is there, and we are asking about marriage only. So that will be the first one. But before starting, I would like to tell you all the signs which I can see here. Okay, I can see here Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Scorpio is very prominent here. Then I can see also Aquarius very prominent. Then Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. Pisces also is very prominent in this reading. Okay, so please take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so this person, you know this person already and you are waiting for the right time. Okay, so you know this person and you may not be exactly knowing that you love this person or they love you. So this might be like hi bye connection. So you might be knowing them like not exactly a childhood friend or something like that, but still you know this person. Maybe this person is in your friend circle or friend to a friend, something like that. You know this person already and you must be thinking that this person is a player or they might be flirting with you earlier. Yeah, then you ignored them or you didn't take them seriously. Okay, so for some of you I'm saying, so you think that this person is a player, then you feel that okay, I should be away from this person, this person is not trustworthy, something like that you are feeling. So the Seven of Swords card indicates that this person is kind of a thief or a cheat, that kind of vibe it gives. Also, this can be a thief means they will be gathering information about you and they are not giving their information. That is one possibility. Others, they will be stealing your heart and walking away. That is another thing. Maybe they will be flirting and you will fall for them, then they will leave, they won't commit. Okay, that is the thing. Otherwise they really steal your information from social media or something like that, then they will act as if they don't know anything, this kind of a person. And this person is little bit introvert, they are not saying anything to you. And for some of you, this person already rejected you or ignored you. You have already offered your cup of love, but this person ignored or rejected. Okay, this person is little sensitive, introvert, as I told already. But they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Okay, they might have not proposed you or something like that, but they feel that you have all the qualities as they want in a person or their life partner. Then coming to their personality, what I feel here is this person is well built and they are not that tall, maybe 5'6" to 5'8". This person's height will be 5'6" to 5'8" or 5'9". So that is what I feel here. Then July month number 7 is very prominent here. Maybe this person born in that month or you both met in that month. So July is very prominent. Even April or the number 4 is also prominent because they both repeated twice. And now coming to their personality, they are very well built and good looking. They are a lighter complexion than you. So maybe you are little brown in color or they are in very they are fair in color, or color doesn't matter, no offense here. Okay, but this person is very very attractive and everybody will be falling for this person, that kind of a thing. But this person always they are trying to prove themselves in the society or in front of others. Always they'll be very very soft spoken or emotional person, and they will be always giving explanation to everybody because they are kind enough, they are sensitive enough. So whenever anybody asks anything, they will prove themselves, they want to explain about themselves. And for some of you, this person will be little defensive also. They won't agree if you say you are wrong, they won't agree. And for some of you, you have this mother issues also. Okay, so maybe you proposed and they rejected you because of their mother, or they have some secrets in their life which they are not telling you, they didn't tell you. Okay, definitely you know this person already, and it will be most probably it will be a love marriage for you. You know this person already for sure. Okay, then after this connection ended because death card is there, so that means this connection ended, but it is definitely it is growing. Okay, ending and a new beginning, or death and rebirth. Okay, this is happening, and it will happen in a right time because wheel of fortune is there, wheel is turning into your favor. So maybe one of you or both of you have strong feelings towards each other, especially that other person, not you, because they have the wish fulfillment card, this 9 of cups. Okay, this person will be viewing you as their wish fulfillment, so that is the reason their attraction and their intentions are very very strong. But maybe they have some religious factors which are not allowing them to come towards you, or maybe their mother or mother figure or sister, grandmother, anybody, they might be opposing this connection. That is the reason this person is not coming to you. But definitely I can see that this person will contact you because 8 of wands is there, so definitely they want to come towards you, they want to communicate to you, and they definitely see that you are their ultimate happiness. That kind of a person he is. Okay, he or she. Okay, so they see that you are the right choice for them. And on top of that, they this connection is long distance connection for some of you. This person might be sorry guys, one phone call came, so it also implies that you will also get a phone call from this person, whoever is reflecting in this reading. Okay, so then definitely they will contact you, he or she, they will contact you because they feel that you are their wish fulfillment and you are their happiness. So definitely they will realize that, and still they have hope on this whatever connection. Like they feel that okay, if I approach this person, so if I explain everything, they will be fine. Okay, so still they have the hope. And this person may be a famous person in their circle or community or social media. This person is famous, they are attractive, as I told you already. So this person will definitely want to come back to you. They want to pass on some information to you, whatever you are expecting, whatever you are waiting for. This person definitely want to clarify all the things. They are into a page energy actually, so they are kind of very excited, they want to come towards you, they have lot of passion towards you, because they are into some kind of like a determination that they want to come to you, they want to achieve you, this kind of that passion they have towards you. So because of that, definitely they want to come back to you. So once they come back, it will be love marriage, because right now they are not feeling well, because they are not able to sleep, they are always thinking about you. And for some of you, this person may not be good in health, this person might have got some health issues also, maybe because of that they are not coming towards you, or because you both are not talking to each other or broke up, maybe because of that this person is not feeling well, they are not able to sleep, they are crying at night. So definitely I feel that you know this person very well, they are not your childhood friend, but still you know this person. So maybe because of for some of you, you have just hi bye connection only, but for some of you, you have the intimate relationship with this person. And maybe even if you don't know this person that much, they have the strong feelings and emotions towards you. That is what I can see, because they are not expressing, because they have some past regrets, they feel that they have some inferiority complex or something they have in the past. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you. And they feel a little bit low, like self-worth issues also they have, even though they are very very attractive or famous like that, but still they have some doubt in their mind. So will I be good, like that. Okay, so because 7 of wands is there, so this person will be very defensive if you say anything, like if you are wrong, if you say you are wrong, then this person will not agree, like they will be defensive. Okay, that is what I have for you, pile number 1. Let us pull one card for your timeline. Okay, so what time, how many months or years, when they will get married? Please give us some guidance, spirits and angels, some timeline please, when they will get married. Okay, sorry. Okay, so definitely it says the world says that it is not very soon, I can say. So it will be around 9 months, okay, or 11 months from now. 11 months or 11 weeks or 9 months or 9 weeks, I can feel here. Definitely this is a long distance relationship. That is the reason this person is not able to come. Maybe they will communicate to you in the month of November, that means next month. So from there onwards it will start slowly, and for some of you I can see that it will go up to 2 years also. Maybe once the communication starts, then you will start having the dating and all. So after that slowly you will get married. It will not happen immediately or suddenly, so it will take some time. Okay, so let me pull some alphabets so that you can get more clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. Okay, please note that this might be your person's middle name, first name, last name. Okay, however it resonates with you. W D, sorry, G, let me arrange. Hope you can see. E, L, H, Y, K, U, O and I. Okay, so these are all the alphabet I can see here. This might be their first name, last name or middle name. Okay, please take it however it resonates with you. Hope you can see the letters. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels, who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Let us ask spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Pile number 2, whoever chose this green heart, who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Let me pull some cards here. 4 of Swords, the Fool, 5 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have Page of Pentacles. Okay, hope you can see the card. Let us pull some more cards. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Okay, I have few cards here. The Sun, 4 of Moons. Bottom of the deck we have Astronomer. Okay, but we'll pull more cards. We have here 5 of Pentacles. This is twice and exactly next to the 5 of Pentacles it came, both the spreads. 7 of Swords, 10 of Cups, Master, then it is Justice, and as I told you, bottom of the deck it is Astronomer. Let me arrange the cards so that I can give you clear messages. Hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so let me start the reading, and first of all let me tell you the signs which I see here. The signs are, maximum you will have this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and also Leo. Then I can see Libra here. Then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Also I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then all the fixed signs, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius and Taurus. So these are all the signs I can see here. Then fire signs are very less except Leo. I can't see any other fire sign. Okay, that's all. Then let me start the reading. And whoever you will marry, whoever is your future spouse, so they will be like young or young minded. Even though if they are older also, their mind will be young. Okay, maybe their body will be old but their mind will be very young. And they will be always a risk taker. They will not sit in one place. Always they will be busy. They want to do something or the other. They cannot sit in one place. So that means they are very active. And they also want to keep their body very fit and smart. They are very conscious about their looks. Okay, so they are very much going to gym, eating healthy food, healthy diet. So maybe once you get married to this person, definitely they will ask you also to follow the same thing, like do yoga, meditation, then go to gym and eat all the healthy food. So they might be insisting to you also the same thing. Okay, the vibe I feel is you don't know this person for some of you, because there is no card that is showing that you know this person already. But for some of you, you had a cycle with this person. Maybe this person is your ex for some of you. Okay, because there is 10 of cups here. So that means either this person is already married and after getting out of that relationship they'll come to you, or else you are already married and you are reconciling with your own partner. That means your ex, you are reconciling. These two possibilities I can see in this spread. Okay, for some of you, you don't know this person only. Okay, these three scenarios I can see in this spread. Okay, then this person is ready for the marriage. Actually they have lot of hopes and lot of ideas about their future spouse. They want a particular person only, because they are very self conscious. As I told you, they want to do the bodybuilding and everything. Similarly, they have the particular ideas in their mind that my future spouse should be like this. He or she should be working, they should be earning money, and more pentacles are there. That means I feel that this person is like money minded in the sense, not in negative sense, but this person will be always busy earning money, always thinking about money. How can he or she multiply the money? So they will be always thinking about money more, because I can see more of the pentacles here. But at the same time, this person will be very loving, caring. So they will, whoever it is, they will take care of you like a mother, like motherly affection. If you are not able to get up from the bed, then they will get the bed coffee or tea. So they will take care of you nicely, because they have that inner feelings. Maybe they have little bit difficult childhood, they are wounded. Okay, so that is the reason they take care of you very nicely. They will be giving you lot of affection, and they will be treating you as a kid. Okay, like a child. They will be thinking, oh, maybe I feel that this age difference also is there here. And this person, I feel that they are already married and they are coming out of the relationship. Then they will come to you, because the justice card is there. Justice card indicates that it is kind of a legal matters. Maybe divorce case is going on with this person. Then they will come back to you. Okay, that marriage card is there twice. Okay, 10 of cups and even the justice acts like marriage card also, and the legal battles also. Okay, so definitely. And for some of you, as I told you, you both are already married, then you got separated, now you are not in talking terms. Both are wounded, both are hurt, something happened very bad in your life. So then you both will be coming together. Okay, for some of you. Then what I can see is this person is manifesting you back. They are praying to God. Okay, if at all this line will be dedicated to the people who are resonating with the ex or already married person. So they are manifesting you back into their life. They are praying God. You can see the Four of Swords. Even though there are a lot of fights between you both, they are trying to manifest you back in their life. Okay, they want to take a risk, they want to come back to you, even though you both are wounded in this connection, but still you both think in a same way, go in a same direction, and you both feel that this conflict happened between you because of the trust issues. So you feel that the other person has some secrets in their life, you feel they feel that you have some secrets in your life. That is what for the people who are already, sorry, who are already married and you are reconciling with your spouse. Okay, then this person is like a kind of a family oriented person, I feel. They will be giving importance to family, not the friends, not going out for parties, not spending time out nights and all. So they are family oriented, they want to spend time with family, children, mother, sister, or a brother. So they are like a responsible person, I can say. And this person is learning some new thing right now. So they are learning something new, they have started a new job, or they must have started a new business. Okay, so definitely they feel that you will be their happiness, because the sun card is there for the people who are resonating with the ex scenario. So they are expecting you are the happiness, and when you will come back into their life, then they will be happy, because you are the ultimate happiness. Maybe they only rejected you because Four of Moons is there, Four of Cups. That means maybe you have offered your cup of love, they have rejected you because they feel that this is not the right connection or something like that at that time when you propose them. Okay, so definitely as time passes, this person realize that you are the right person for them, you are their happiness. So now they want to take a risk in this connection. So they might be little bit player vibes are also there, they might be flirting with others because Seven of Swords is there, they have that this trend trade also in them. But this is not nothing serious. Okay, simply they'll be talking, they'll be flirting, nothing any serious relationship, nothing like that. So that is also there, they are non-committal. What I can see is they are non-committal, they are afraid of this marriage, this bonding, this commitment, they are little bit afraid. So they are even though they are responsible person, they feel that they are tired, they want their freedom, because they want to have the confidence in them, they want their freedom, because they want to grow, they have some ambitions in their life, they want to grow to certain level, because the pentacle cards are more and more, so they want to grow to certain level. So that is the reason they feel that if I get married, then it will be obstacle for my future, for my career. Okay, so like that they are feeling. So definitely this person has lot of money, I can see they are very very rich. That is the reason they will take care of you also very nicely. um, and what else I can see here? Yeah, so you both are made for each other, because I can see the king and queen in the same spread. Okay, so definitely you both will be definitely a good pair, made for each other. And they will be guiding you after marriage, they will be guiding you if at all you are young and small, and you are yet to get job and all, they will definitely guide you, they will be like kind of a master to you. And they will say that which way you can go, what training you should take. So they will mold your future also very nicely. They will teach you how to be in the society, in public, or maybe it is stage speaking, like motivational speakers and all, how they speak. So this person is having lot of good etiquettes, I can feel. So that they will teach you. So both of you have some age difference, they are very very experienced, and they have seen lot of jobs and lot of people in their life, so that experience they will definitely share with you. Okay, so definitely this person will come out of the other marriage, if for some of you if it is resonating. So definitely they will come back to you after the coming out of the other relationship. Okay, so that's all I can see here. But a good card is the Ten of Cups. Okay, so they want to see a good life with you, they want to have children with you, they want to have everything, all the happiness in their life with you. Okay, so this person will be very positive, and I cannot see any negative things here. No negative cards here. Little bit that flirty nature, but that is also not dangerous or not serious thing and all. So definitely you both will be happy because of 10 of cups. Now let us see the time frame. Okay, so spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Give us the time frame for pile number 2, when they will get married. Please give us some clarity. Okay, so the Tower card. So whatever will happen, it will happen unexpectedly. This person will come to your life unexpectedly when you are least expected. So this will happen. So this will make your life upside down also. Maybe everything you have to change for this person. Your way of eating or living, everything you have to change for this person. And this is also like it will take some time. It is not so fast for you. It might be another 1 year. It will take 1 year, 2 months, like that. Or in the month of April, maybe you both will meet. Then slowly it will progress into marriage. Okay, but it will not happen very fast. Okay, it will take minimum of 1 year. Okay, meanwhile this person will slowly come to you with like a page of pentacles. They will offer you their cup of love, and slowly it will be definitely a love marriage. I can see that. So they will come to you, they will propose you. They are very slow in nature. They will take a step very slow and steady. Okay, because they have a lot of trust issues and all. So they will take any step cautiously because they are non-committal or afraid of the commitment. So definitely they will come to you very slowly. Okay, let us pull some initials of your person. Who will you marry? I will push these cards little bit. So let us see the initials of your person. These initials might be their first name, last name, or middle name. T, N, F, I, K, A, J, B, O, L, C. Hope you can see. Then E, R, and Y. Okay. So these are all the letters I got. This might be their first name, middle name, or last name. Please take it however it resonates with you. That's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Let us see who will you marry and who is your future spouse. So let us ask spirits and angels, who will you marry and who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Whoever chose this red heart, who is their future spouse or who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Two of Cups, the Hermit, Three of Cups, the Star, bottom of the deck we have Seven of Cups. Let us pull some more cards. Let us ask spirits and angels, who will you marry, who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, who is your future spouse? Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. Six of Cups, Page of Sons, the Chariot, Six of Sons, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, then Ten of Pentacles. Okay, beautiful cards for you, pile number 3. And bottom of the deck we have Two of Cups. Okay, Two of Cups is twice here. And all the cards are very, very positive. There is no negative at all. Okay, so let me start with the signs here. So the signs I can see here is Virgo, then Aquarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then I can also see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so these are all the signs very very prominent, and very few of you will have the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. Okay, please take it however it resonates, because this is general readings. Almost all the signs will come, but very prominent signs are Virgo and Aquarius. Okay, so let us start the reading. Very intelligent, very spiritual, and also lot of intuition. I can say the intuitive person, very calm, they won't talk much. You know this person already. Your future spouse will be your childhood friend or classmate, college mate, colleague, whoever it is, you know them already. Okay, this is childhood friend for 90% of you. So definitely you know this person, and you both are already in love with each other, but some of you did not confess your love. And coming to their characteristics and looks, okay, so they are very tall and a little bit skinny side, like not very thin but thin, very tall, and they are not a bodybuilder and all, they are normal only, but they are tall and very attractive, handsome. Okay, and whoever is watching this reading also, they are also very very beautiful and handsome if it is male. Okay, so this person is actually, they have lot of love for you. They feel that you both are soulmates, but they are confused whom to choose, what to choose, because they are into career side also. Then they are thinking about their future also. They are thinking about different opportunities in their career also. So they are confused what to focus right now, so what to concentrate right now, whether they have to concentrate on their money or their career or love life or marriage. So they are confused actually, but definitely they know that you are there for them. You both love each other, and you both are soulmates. This is 100%, it's a love marriage only. Okay, if at all this person didn't come into your life, they will come very soon, because but you know them already. Okay, they are your childhood friend, and maybe they suddenly they'll appear in your life, but they have this feeling of the soulmates. Okay, they know you very well, and they are already in love with you, but maybe they didn't express. Okay, so this is for some of you, it is a long distance relationship, and already you met this person in the, like, when you were childhood friends, right? Now they are grown up, but you meet this person in like mutual friends parties. There will be mutual parties, right, along with your classmate, college mates and all. So during that time you are already in touch with them, you know them, you meet them, but you don't know this is the person you are going to marry. Okay, so this person is already keeping an eye on you, searching for your information. They are keeping an eye and asking others, what are you doing, what are you up to, is there anybody in your life? So like that, they are soul searching. They are searching what they want exactly. At the same time, they are thinking about you also. What is your taste, what is your interest? If they come and propose you, will you accept? So all these things are there in their mind. And for some of you, this person might be very famous in your friend circle or social media, or kind of a celebrity, because the star card is there, or they are looking at you like you are a star, and you are a star of the show, showstopper. So that kind of a person who everybody loves. Okay, so that kind of image, either they are like that or you are like that. Okay, so now they want to come towards you very passionately. They want to come towards you already. For some of you, this person already came into your life and proposed also. Whoever is not yet met this person when they grow up, so now they are coming towards you, and they want to come towards you with a lot of passion. They have lot of attraction, lot of passion towards you. And they are, because since it is a long distance relationship, they are far from you, so they have to travel and come towards you. So they want to come very fast. Okay, and one more thing is Cancer sign is very prominent here, I forgot to tell. Virgo, then Aquarius, and Cancer, it's very prominent in this spread. Okay, This person wants a victory in this connection. They want to have engagement, marriage, because both engagement card is there, marriage card is there. Okay, so definitely this person is having those ideas or planning. Actually, they are well planned. This person, even though they are young, they think like an old person or very very intellectual person. So they know what will be their future and they plan properly. Okay, they don't want to go blindly, so they plan everything. So they have the plan in their mind that they will come towards you with their family, with their relatives, and propose you and propose for the marriage. Okay, like engagement. So definitely they want to have a new life with you, and they want to have a new life. They want everything very very clear. They don't want any BS. If at all you have any past or something, they want to know. So definitely they will also express their love towards you, and they will be very very clear in their communication. So whatever is there, they will be sometimes very very blunt and a little bit angry or a little bit short tempered also, but at the same time they'll be very very loving, caring, like motherly, nurturing person. So they will take care of you very well, and this person is also very rich. Okay, because 10 of Pentacles card is there, so definitely they are very rich, and they want to have a family with you, like their parents, then your parents, everybody. They want the family union. Okay, so they don't want to just marry you and take you away. So they want to live with their family, they want to live with your family also. So it is kind of a legacy. They want to share the legacy with you. They will have pets, then children, old people, everything. Like they want a proper family. And for very few of you, like for 5% of you, this person is already married, and they have everything well established. But due to some reason, they are getting separated with their wife, so or husband, and they will be coming back to you. But this is not for everybody. This is for only 5% of you, very rare people. Okay, but rest of the all the cards, it's very very strong and very positive cards. Okay, in not even one single card that is negative here. So definitely you will start a new beginning. You will have a lot of conversation. Then you will be talking over the phone hours together. Then you will be, before getting married to this person, you spend a lot of quality time with this person. You understand each other better. Then you will go for the marriage, because you both are matured, and you would like to know each other's feelings and habits and everything. So you will spend time together. Then after that you will take a decision of marriage. Okay, but engagement card is there, marriage card is there, everything, 2 of Cups is there. So all the cards are very very positive. So let me pull one card for the time frame. Okay, so when they will get married, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity when they will get married. Okay, the Death. So I actually, out of all the 3 cards, like this is third pile, right? So definitely this is the very beautiful reading, I can say. Okay, so for some of you, as I told, this person will end one relationship, and they will come towards you, because Death card is there, and it is also shows that it will happen after 1 year. So 1 year or 13 months, like that. So it will not happen very fast, very easily. It will take some time, because there are some of you, as I told, they might have issues with previous relationship. So they will cut everything, then they will come towards you, and they will have a new life with you, because Ace of Swords is there. So they will have a new life with you, new beginning with you. So this will happen after 1 year. So maybe you know this person already, you may be dating this person, you may be in love with this person, but the marriage will take place after 1 year. Okay, so that's all. Then let us see some initials of your person, so that you can check. Okay, so let me put A, P, F, I, N, V, D, S, W, X, H and U are together. Okay, H, U and R. Okay, hope you can see all the letters. Okay, So that's all I have for you, pile number 3. Be very happy. This reading is very, very positive, and it's all positive things only. It is love marriage. Be happy. Okay. Until the next reading. Bye. Whoever chose this white heart, this reading is for you. Let us see who is your future spouse. Who will you marry? Okay. So let us ask spirits and angels. Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will you marry and who is your future spouse? Let us ask spirits and angels. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Please, spirits and angels, give us some clarity and guidance. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. 2 cards flew away. They are Justice and 8 of Cups. Let us pull more cards. The Lovers, Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups. Okay, bottom of the deck is Queen of Cups. So let us pull some more cards so that we can get more clarity. Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Page of Wands, Initiate, the Devil, 7 of Cups, the Lovers card came twice, Astronomer, 9 of Cups. At the bottom of the deck we have Ace of Cups. Okay, very nice. All cards are very positive here. So let us see. Let me arrange these cards. Okay, hope you can see. Yes. The signs, if I discuss about, the signs are Gemini, Libra. I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Then I can see very few of you will have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, maximum it is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I can see the Libra and Gemini. Please take it however it resonates with you, and also Scorpio, I forgot. Scorpio, Libra, and Gemini. It's very, very prominent here. So coming to this pile, the person whom you are going to marry, so they might be already married and they are single mother or single father. So they will end the relationship and they will come towards you. But you are already in love with each other. You know them already. This is definitely a love marriage. You know them already. And they may be your colleague, or you know them already, your friend. I'm not finding any getting any vibes of childhood friend and all, but you know this person through mutual friends, or you must have worked together. Okay, so this person will be walking away from some connection because 8 of Cups is there. Then they will come towards you, and the Justice card is there. That means they will come out of a legal battle, maybe a divorce case. Then they will come towards you, but they have lot of love for you, passion for you. So they, once they determine, then they will follow it. Okay, so now they are determined to marry you. So definitely they want to come towards you and have a new start in their life, because already their life is their past is not that good. So they want to have a loving caring connection in future with you. Okay, and they might be having a cat or a dog. So at their home they might be having pets, and they are very spiritual. But for some of you, I feel this person might be Christian. Okay, very few of you, I can see this person might be, there is a religion difference also. That is the reason you both could not be together in the past. Okay, so there is I can see there is a church and all. So this person might be a Christian. Okay, so this will be intercaste marriage for many of you. So definitely this person have lot of feelings and possessiveness. Then because Devil card is there, that means they are definitely feel that they are chained towards you. You both are chained together, and they are not able to come out of your thoughts and your memories. Maybe for some of you, you had memories in the past, like when you were together working or anywhere. Okay, so those things, they are not able to forget, they are not able to sleep at night, they are constantly thinking about you, they have this passionate thoughts about you. Okay, so they are addicted to, for some of you, this person may be drinking a lot, okay, in thinking about you. So this person might be drinking or smoking, okay, because this the devil card also indicates that they have some addictions in their life. So they want to come towards you, like a page, they want to offer their passion first. I mean, first they will enter in your life like a very flirty, I cannot say flirt also. So they will come towards you, they will be talking to you nicely, they will be trying to know more about yourself, like how you are, what you like, what are your dislikes. So they will be very very polite, well mannered, well behaved. They will be very attractive. Already you both are in love with each other, but maybe for some of you, you didn't confess this love towards each other. So now they want to come towards to you, and they want to talk to you, like what do you like, how you like to marry. Okay, so and they are confused. Okay, so because some of you, their past is not that good, so they are confused whether to come ahead and ask you for marriage or not. So they are little hesitant, they are confused, they are scattered, even though they have many other options also, but they want to come towards you. They are rich, they have lot of money, but because of this justice card, they might have lost little bit of money in the legal battle and all. But anyways, they are very well settled, I can see. This person is very strong, wealthy, well settled, but a single mother or a single father, that's what I can see here. Then definitely they want to initiate. Okay, so they first they want to initiate the contact. Maybe you are not in contact for many months or years, so they want to initiate the contact, they want to come towards you slowly, they want to start this relationship. They are not in a rush, they are slowly they want to start this again. Okay, so then we have the astrologer card also, like they know, like what they want. They are very self sufficient, I can say. They're very strong minded. You both are, actually you both are very strong. So two people might be approaching you, and you have to choose one person. And one is already, you are already in love with this person, so you will have the love marriage. But apart from that, maybe another match also will come towards you. But definitely you will marry the love of your life. Or this person only, maybe they will initiate contact to with your parents or with your family, so that they can communicate, and they can have the engagement or marriage. So like that they want to initiate, because the initiate card and astrologer are one after the other. So this is how the meaning is. So they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Definitely they marry you with a lot of passion, and also a lot of clarity, that what they want in their life, how their future spouse should be. So you are just like that, so they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. So whatever they could not get in the past, now they will be getting through you. Okay, this is for many of you. So if it is they are not already married and all, but still they have the opinion, like okay, my future spouse should be like this, and you are exactly like that. So that is the reason they want to come towards you, like a wish for you. Okay, they want to have you in their life. So that is the reason they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. So then this person is freedom lover, they are very very independent. They have a lot of free thoughts and free ideas. Suppose if you say that no, I don't like this, or I don't want to come to a church. Okay, so they are a free spirited person, they will understand your opinions, they will respect your thoughts and feelings. So they say okay, fine, then if you want to go to temple or any other religious place, they will also accompany you. They will say okay, they will support you in all the other matters. That is what I wanted to say. And they will support you financially also in initial times when you don't have money and all. So they will guide you how to apply for jobs and get a job and all. So they will keep you very very happy, and a very luxurious life they can give it to you. Okay, that's all I can feel from this pile. Then let us pull some one card for the timeline when you will get married. When my pile number 4 people get married, please spirits and angels give us one time frame. Please give us one time frame. Okay, the Fool. Okay, so it will be happening very fast because you both are very passionate and attracted towards each other and attached to each other, obsessive towards each other because the devil card is there. So you will be taking a risk and you will be, maybe you will say your parents that no, I want to marry this person only. Maybe if in starting your parents might say that no, why this person, why you want this person, another match is there, so that person is very good for you, that family is very good for you, why you want to marry this person. Then you say no, I want this person only. Then you take a risk, then you take a leap of faith and you will marry this person within no time. For some of you already the marriage talks are happening. So it will happen, it is actually a zero means any time the marriage time has come, maybe end of this year or the starting of next year, you will definitely get married. Okay, or in the month of October. So now this is October, so by next October definitely you will marry this person for sure. Okay, let us pull some initials to see what will be their name, first name, middle name or last name. Let us pull the letters. W R E C B Y N and X. Okay, hope you can see the alphabet letters. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 4. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.